Hello again. This is just a quick overview of a Yaesu FT-2900 that I have for sale. This is a 80-watt 2-meter mobile ham radio here, and comes with a microphone, comes with a bracket. Let's see what she's doing. Audio check, audio check. That is 72.9 watts on high power.
Audio check, that is 72.9 watts on high power.
It's a great little radio. These things are known to be pretty reliable. One of the most high powered mobile units you can get. It's just great. It's fanless, it's rugged, it's nice and beefy, so yeah, this one works great. Everything checks up on it. It has no issues, and this one will be for sale.